So I am back at my favorite restaurant, Coco Ichibana. So let's go. Let's look at their menu and what to order. Order this again, the pork cutlet omelette curry. That's my favorite. Next, I'll try something new. I'll try this one, the curry udon. And this is my first order, the pork cutlet omelette curry. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. I ordered, yung spiciness level niya is 5. This is the curry udon. In-order ko to with the spiciness level of 4. Hi, Kirby. Excited na siyang kumain. So, panoodin natin siyang kumain ng udon. This curry udon, sobrang chewy ng noodles niya. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Order this one. Different yung curry taste nito than the pork cutlet omelette curry. So, better